Ohio gozaimasu. Day 20. I'm on a little fry date with Zoe this morning. Got up. Oh, I feel so much better. I definitely got enough sleep last night. And I'm really sore today, which is awesome. I feel great. Oh, so now that it's Friday, I'm really energized today, and yeah, it's really nice out. It's supposed to have 90% chance of rain soon, but it's not raining now. Oh, I found a skunk. Hold on.
Mr. Skunk. He's hiding. He's hiding over there. He'll pop out. Whoa, hold on, Zoe. Whoa, spin move. Oh, there's a good shot. Hold on. Hold on, Zoe. Zoe wants to run. Oh, there he is. Bye, Mr. Skunk. Okay, bye. Come on, Zoe. Good girl.
Alright guys, not that hungry today. Ooh, moldy. I am going to make a little banana smoothie for lunch. Not sure how hungry I'll be today. So yeah. I'm gonna whip this up, maybe 10 or so bananas. Okay, so I ended up using about 14 bananas and a huge heaping tablespoon of cinnamon. No sugar today. So this will be lunch. Hey guys, a little tip, if you're going to be throwing your banana peels out in nature, make sure you take off the banana stickers first. And if you don't have a place to put it, just stick it on your phone, stick it on your iPod, stick it on your shirt. It's a cool thing to do, guys. Alright, got the new tire today. Looks pretty badass. All steel. Ready to tear shit up. Alright, quick rundown of today's grocery run. Bananas, of course. Gotta have those. Those should last me through the weekend, hopefully. And lettuce. Gotta fill up on that. And just carrots. We're gonna go for a bigger grocery run sometime this weekend. So, not much today. And carrots are great food. You know, if you're just steaming up your potatoes, just throw a couple carrots in there too. So yeah, good way to get some beta carotene. And I mean, these are so cheap too. Pound for pound, carrots are one of the, you know, cheapest foods you can get. So really recommend those. All right, moving right along. Block 1, day 20, the warrior. guys, just got done with the old war propaganda workout, and I definitely got a lot better than last week. I can tell. I've got back a lot of my stabilizer muscles that are used for balance in the legs and arms. And wow, feeling my calves and my leg right now, and oh man, feels a lot more muscular than it did 3 weeks ago. And I did it. I got to recovery week. So yeah, this is always a huge accomplishment, just making it that first 3 weeks, especially if you're new to this whole process. So congratulations if you made it this far. I was in okay shape before I started this already, but now I'm in way better shape. And block 1 so far has been more of a building a foundation, and I think blocks 2 and 3 we're going to build on that more. We're going to see a lot more weights added, I'm sure. And I'm kind of, I don't know, I don't like weight training, but I'm kind of excited about it at the same time. Yeah, I really dislike weight training, but I really like the results of weight training. So I'm glad I'm doing these videos because they're going to help me keep accountable. And so yeah, I'm excited for a day off tomorrow. I need it so bad. So, alright, we're hungry. Okay, thanks, bye.
Alright, here's what I'm eating for dinner tonight. Woo-wee! Got a big old pot of carrots and potatoes. Some Friday night comfort food. And what else? We got some rice cooking up here, as always. We make that like 4 or 5 times a week out here in the Zach household. And maybe I'll make some ketchup. Maybe we should make this. What do you think? Should we make this, babe? Yeah, let's make that. So we got, that's 2.5 servings times 140. What is that, 350? We've got 11.25 grams of fat in this whole thing. 25 milligrams of sodium. So, not too bad. So yeah, let's cook this up tonight.
Alright, here's what I did with it. I took a couple tablespoons of ketchup, a couple tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and I mixed it together. And I cut up the tempeh, mixed that in, added some, had some lentils cooked up already. So I added those with a scoop of rice, and I'm going to throw this in the oven for as long as it takes, 10-15 minutes or whatever, at about 400 degrees. So we'll see how this turns out. Alright, so here's how it turned out. Still looks pretty much the same, but it's just heated up. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this vegan barbecue here. Celebrate the beginning of summer. So yeah, just real simple, guys. Just cut up the tempeh, ketchup and barbecue, and rice and lentils, and if you want onions, and throw in some tomatoes in there. You could throw in a can of tomato sauce, tomato puree. Oh man, this is going to be so good. I can't eat too much. It's pretty high sodium. As far as the ketchup and barbecue sauce goes, it wasn't homemade. But anyway, gonna eat this up.
And here's the CRON-O-meter for June 20th, 2014. As you saw earlier, I had 20 bananas between breakfast, lunch, and before dinner, before a workout. And then I had that tempeh dish with some carrots and potatoes, and that all amounted to 3,500 calories, 75 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, 87.8% carbs, 4.9% fat. What else? A little bit of B12 today. High in the sodium. It's okay to have days like that sometimes, but I got my potassium in, so I'm good there. And here's my amino acid profile. So yeah, that is the breakdown.
Alright, that is the end of day 20, and for some of you, you're going to be doing dynamics tomorrow to be finishing out week 3, but otherwise, you finished week 3, so congratulations, baby, we did it. Omerito. Please raise your glasses. Kanpai. Kanpai, guys. Cheers. And also, if you guys like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Twitter at FNDNGZAC. So let me know what you guys think about these videos down in the comments below. Feel free to ask me a question or two. I'll answer them throughout the series for you guys. And yeah, so keep watching. Alright, stay tuned.
Goodbye!